Mr. Dusan, please welcome for your saying.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to be today here. It was a long journey, almost 1 year journey to go through the very important and demanding tender process. I would like to tell thank you to the ministry because the process was very transparent, very professional, but luckily at the end, the Pure is the winner of the project. We really appreciate it, and we hope we will work not only on this project together. As Mohammed told you already, our history, our past in Somaliland is a long journey. We started in 2014 on the MEE in Dubai, and then from 2015, I first time visited this country. After 10 years, I can say I am familiar partially with the culture, with the environment, and we are fully ready to implement this project to your full satisfaction. We will try our best to do it. This project will be like a milestone project because maybe in Borama, the ESP will be the first ESP which will able to penetrate the green energy during the day and nighttime continuously, and maybe also without the grid forming technology. So only the best suppliers will be supplied the goods as a Huawei, Jinko, etc. And as you know, we have a lot of experience from technical side, some capabilities because we did a lot of projects here. All the projects are still running very well. So we hope everything will be going to the full satisfaction of the ministry. We will be not late. The ESP in Borama will be very happy with it, and we are looking forward to work with you.